and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro, MUA, welcome. Today, you've seen it in the title of the video, and I'm doing a review and tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Volume 1 palette, and I'm also doing a giveaway. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet for you to enter the giveaway. It'll be in the video whenever I decide, but it will be in the video. And I will also write it in the description box down below how you can enter for the giveaway to receive your very own Norvina Collection Volume 1 palette. I'm just gonna say that I absolutely love this palette, so you might want to win it, okay? Just some quick rules. The giveaway is open for US and Canada only. Anybody under 18 must have your parent permission, and that's about it. Like I said, how to enter the giveaway will be somewhere in the video, and it'll also be in the description box down below. So make sure you follow all the rules. Without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do that, please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button, that red subscribe button down below, because I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to see how I create this look and what products I use to create this look, and my review on this beautiful palette, then please continue watching. I have tried to record this video. This is going to be my third time now. Sunday I tried to record a video. I started doing something, didn't like it, wiped it away. Tried again, did something, didn't like it, and I was like, fuck it, let me try again tomorrow. I think I'm just to my head right now. So come Monday, I sit down, I start recording. So I did an eye look and I ended up hating it. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna wipe it off and try again. I tried again. I got my look. I recorded it, took pictures of my look, transferred it from my camera to my laptop, and then my dumbass deleted the wrong file, and I emptied the trash. And then when I'm going to go edit it Monday night, I realized that it's no longer on my laptop, and I almost had a freaking panic attack because I was just so pissed that I did that. So now it's Tuesday, and for the third time I'm going to record a video, and I just hope it works out this time because I don't think I have it in me to go for a fourth time. I really don't. So I'm just gonna get started, and the first thing I want to start with is just priming my face. And to do that, I'm going to use the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. To move on to my brows, and for my brows I'm going to be using the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I'm just going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. To prep the eyelids, I'm going to use the P.Louise base in Rumour 0.5 and the P.Louise packing brush. I'm going to go into this beast of a palette. I've been using this palette for 3 days, trying to create a look, and I love it. Honestly, I love this palette. So first, on a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, I'm going to go into E4. Morphe M411 brush, I'm going to go into A5. And with whatever's left on the first brush where I used E4, I'm just going to blend out those edges a little bit more. Morphe M518 brush, I'm gonna go into E5. On a Royal and Langnickel Omnia Balm 18 detailing brush, I'm gonna go into the shade D4. Now that the eye looks all crazy, I'm gonna use the Morphe M518 brush and go back into E5. So with the Omnia Balm 18 detailing brush, I'm gonna go back into D4. With the Verimona packing brush, I'm gonna go into D2. Makeup wipe and clean up that line a little bit. So next I'm going to take the Too Faced Sketch Marker Liquid Art Eyeliner in black, and I'm going to create a wing. Today I'm going to be using the Dodo lashes in the style D307, and I am an affiliate for Dodo lashes. These lashes are super inexpensive, and that's why my affiliate code is only for 5%, but they are such amazing quality. I absolutely love these lashes. These are literally my favorite lash brand at the moment. So yeah, today I'm using the style D307. I'll link the website and the discount code in the description box below. So I'm actually going to do the other eye off of camera, and I will be right back. I'm back and I have finished my left eye. Next I'm moving on to the face, and for foundation today I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Light. This is very full coverage. Next, for concealer, I am going to be using two concealers. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade 10. And I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer in the shade 22. quickly, before we set the under eye, I just want to contour the face a little bit, and to do that, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Mocha. To set the under eye, and to do that we're using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. We are going to move on to bronzer, and today I'm going to be using the Nars bronzer in Laguna with a Morphe R17 brush. On a Glamour Dolls brush, I am going to be using the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Prim Vixen. M401 brush, I'm going to sweep all of the excess powder away. Next, we're going to finish off the eyes, and first I'm taking the Maybelline New York Kohl eyeliner in the shade 320 in the waterline. To set that, I'm going to go into B4 on a Royal & Nickel Omnia Balm 4D shader brush. I'm going to go into B4 once again. For the bottom lash line, once again, I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Backyard Bang Mascara. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the Morphe M168 brush, and I'm going to go into B3. Step is to highlight. I'm taking the Morphe E161 and the Morphe M578 brush, and the highlighter I'm using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collaboration. Bam! Oh my lord. How can you do this to me? Music keeps me dancing. To catch up on this side of the face, and I will be right back. I'm back and I have finished this side of the face. Next, I want to apply some lipstick, obviously, and I've decided that I want to just do a bold lip. Why the fuck not? So today I'm actually going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. Music keeps me dancing. something about this lip shade that just gives me life. It gives me life. And we're not even here to talk about the lip shade. We're here to talk about the eyeshadow palette. But I just, like, Okay, I need to stop. I need to cool it. I'm getting too cocky. So next, we just gotta set this shit, alright? And to do that, I'm using the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Alright guys, so that completes my tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 1 collection. Now it is time to give you a review. First of all, can I just say that the mirror in here is freaking huge and it's perfect. I love palettes that have mirrors because it's just less you have to pack when you take the palette to go. And the fact that it's so big and you can see your whole face on it, it's perfect. Like I love this packaging. I love the design of it. I love the hard case. And then these colors. Oh my god. Guys, these colors are stunning. Ooh. There was no fallout when I was packing on the color. The blending. Oh my god, the blending is flawless. These shades are beautiful. Honestly, Norvina killed it with this palette. It is so freaking beautiful. And I just saw on Instagram that they're releasing a volume 2 palette at the end of September. Like, what? Yo, if the second palette is anything like this palette, oh my god, I'm going to love it, and I know I am. These shades are beautiful. The mattes, the shimmers, the glitters, they all look amazing. Because I did 5 different looks, even though I didn't like the looks I did, doesn't mean I didn't like the eyeshadow palettes. It was just nothing was working out for me those days that I recorded. I got to use a lot of the shades in this palette, and I love this palette. I'm gonna say it 10 more times. I give this a 10 out of 10. Y'all need to go buy it, alright? So that basically completes the whole video. I finally thought of how I want people to enter my giveaway. So I think the first rule is going to be you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Second rule is that you must be following my Instagram account. The third rule is that you must leave a comment on this video. And the fourth rule is that you must tag 3 friends in my post where I announce that this video has gone live on Instagram. Okay, so it's 2 Instagram rules and 2 YouTube rules. Can you do it? Do you want this palette? I think you do, so you should do it, okay? This contest is open for US and Canada only, and if you're under 18, please have parent permission, and good luck, guys. So that completes my review and tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Volume 1 palette. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'm also doing a giveaway. Oh shit. Without further ado, but before we do that, there's a hair floating around. Okay. Ow! So, no, let's wait. Focus on my white ass face. Thank you. So, right before, so really, and I'm taking the Maybelline New York Kohl Eyeliner, and for the bottom Skin Refresh Mint. Mist, not mint. Wow. Wow.